How to reactivate your deactivated X account. In this video, you will learn how to restore or reactivate your deactivated X or Twitter account. And if you don't know how to do that, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. Make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Now let's begin the tutorial. So while deactivating your X permanently Twitter account, X clarifies that you can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. So if you have accidentally or wrongfully deactivated your Twitter account and you have not reached or crossed 30 days since the day you deactivated your X account, then you have a higher chance to reactivate your deactivated X account. And if that is so in your case, now let me show you how you can reactivate your deactivated X or Twitter account. So first, open up X app on your smartphone. And note, the process will be pretty much same for Android and iPhone. Once you open X on your smartphone, click on the profile icon at the top left corner. And then click on login. And again click on login. And the way you're gonna restore or reactivate your X account is by logging into your X account with the help of your phone number or email address or username and password. And if you have forgotten username and password of your X account, then first watch this video on my channel. It will help you to find and recover username and password of your X account. And I will link this video in the description as well. So now here, enter the phone number, email address or username that is associated with your deactivated X account. And then click on next. Now enter the password of your deactivated X account. After filling both required fields, click on login. And here you can read reactivate your account. You deactivated your account on September 4th, 2023. On October 4th, 2023, it will be no longer possible for you to restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated. By clicking on Yes Reactivate, you will halt or cancel the deactivation process and reactivate your account. So guys, as you can see, I have not reached or crossed 30 days since the day I deactivated my X account, and I have a chance to reactivate my account. So if it is the same in your case, to reactivate your account, here, click on Yes Reactivate. And that's it guys, as you can see, I have successfully cancelled the deletion or deactivation process of my X account. And that's how you can reactivate or restore your deactivated X account. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to change username of your X account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.